Who comforted Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam after his first vision in the cave? His wife Khadija. What did Khadija radiallahu anha tell Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam about his character? He was always honest and kind. Which cousin of Khadija radiallahu anha did they visit for advice about the vision? Waraqa bin Nawfal. What religion had Waraqa bin Nawfal embraced? Christianity. In what language did Waraqa write religious texts? A. Hebrew. About which prophet did Waraqa say that the same angel visited him? C. Prophet Musa alayhi salam. What did Waraqa predict about the message of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? People would reject him and drive him out. What did Waraqa say if he lived to see the time of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Support Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam strongly. What happened to Waraqa soon after this event?
He died a few days later.
What was Waraqa's relationship with Khadija radiallahu anha?
C. He was her cousin. The next major revelation commanded the Prophet to arise and
B. Warn. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam was commanded to purify his B. Garments.
Who was Khadija's cousin that she took the Prophet to see?
Waraqa bin Nawfal. What was Waraqa's religious background? Christian scholar. What is the main element of the call to Islam? Oneness of Allah.